What's happening, guys? This is Bharat Nagpal for iGandit and today we're going to be unboxing the new HTC Desire S. This one has just been launched in India, priced at about 24,500 rupees. This features a front-facing camera, a 1 GHz Snapdragon processor. It also comes with Android 2.3 on board directly out of the box, so you don't have to worry about it being future-proof. So let's quickly unbox the new HTC Desire S and take a look at the box contents and then take a look at the device itself. First and foremost, as always, we have the HTC Desire S, or the handset itself. I'm going to put that aside for the time being. Going further in, we get a couple of stickers for your billing and warranty information. You get a HTC Desire S Quick Start Guide, a safety and regulatory guide, a warranty statement, and a contact us booklet of all the service centers in all the countries that HTC sells phones in. And as always, you get USB 2.0 to micro USB data cable. You have the AC mains charger. This is the new design HTC charger that you see. This one is specifically for India. And you also get the HTC Innovation earphones. These are exceptionally good quality earphones. They also come with an online remote for playing your music and making or receiving calls. It also has an online microphone. So that's everything from the box. Let's take a closer look at the HTC Desire S itself. So on the front of the HTC Desire S, you have the notification LED on the top over here along with the nice and large earpiece. You also have a front-facing camera. This one is supposed to be a VGA camera. Below that is the 3.7-inch touchscreen LCD display. This is a multi-touch display and it comes at 480 by 800 pixel resolution. Below the LCD display are 4 touch capacitive buttons: the home button, the menu button, the back button, and the search button. And you have this sort of taper over here. Some people like to refer to this as the chin of the device. You have absolutely nothing on the right hand side of the device, and on the top here you have the power button, which is also the lock and unlock button, and you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left hand side of the device is the new style volume rocker. This is the same volume rocker that is used in the Incredible S. Pretty impressive and very tactile volume rocker. And you also have the micro USB charging as well as data syncing port. And on the bottom here you have a small pinhole for the microphone. On the back side here you have a 5 megapixel camera along with a single LED flash and the loudspeaker. You also have the magnesium alloy chassis for the Desire S. This is a 1450 mAh battery for the Desire S. So let's quickly put in the battery and power on the device. While the device powers on, I'm going to do a quick comparison with the iPhone 4 over here. Both of them come with a 5 megapixel camera. In my left hand I have the HTC Mozart. This is a Windows Phone 7 device. And on my right hand is the HTC Desire S. And the same HTC Sense UI that you're used to. This is the newer version of Sense. It comes with Android 2.3, so you have this new style layout here. You get a bunch of new features in Android 2.3. You can quickly turn on and off your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, GPS and all those things. I'm going to quickly jump into the About screen and show you that this device comes with Android 2.3 out of the box. So as you can see, it comes with Android 2.3. Revision 3, a pretty comfortable device to hold in the hand. Build quality looks absolutely brilliant. We'll have a full review of the device really soon, guys, so stay tuned for that. For more unboxings, video reviews and tutorials, please visit iGandit.in. If you have any questions, you can visit our forums at iganforum.com and post your questions over there. Please leave your feedback and comment in the comment section below. We'd really like if you could rate this video. You can also catch us on Facebook and on Twitter. This has been Bharat Nagpal for iGyan.in, and thank you for watching.